All right, today we talked about what is a function. So a relation is pretty much everything we look at in math. Inputs and outputs, X's and Y's. So a relation is a set of inputs. Remember, inputs are the X, and outputs are the, good. Now, in order for a relation to be a function, each input has only one output. Okay, and we can see these on XY tables. There's lots of different ways we can see relations. Okay, so take a look at these two tables. Yeah. That way you'll have them in case on the test this Friday you have to make up your own, and you already have some ready to go. All right, what do we think about the first one? Thumbs up if it's a function, thumbs down if it's not. Okay, lots of people are saying thumbs down. The issue here is 5 gives us an output of 0, and 5 gives us an output of 2. So this is a relation because it has inputs and outputs, but it's not a function. Okay, how about the second one? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it a function? Good, yes, this is a relation because it has inputs and outputs and a function. Okay, so now we know how to determine whether something is a function on a table. Let's also take a look as a graph. Does anybody still need this? If you're still writing, keep your pencil up. If you're done, put the pencil down. Good. Okay. So let's take a look at what makes something a function on a graph. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind sketching these couple of graphs, thank you. Okay, let's look at these 3 graphs and decide whether or not they are a function. All of them are relations because they have inputs and outputs. Now we also want to decide if they are functions. So what do we think for the first one? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is the first one a function? Okay? Correct. This is not a function. If you look at where x is 0, y is either, so this is like 0, 2, and 0, negative 2. So this is not a function. Sometimes we use something called a vertical line test. So if you take your pencil and you hold it vertically and you drag it along the graph, it should only ever touch your pencil one time for it to be a function. Here it intersects twice, meaning it is not a function because this x value has 2 y values, 2 outputs. So that's not a function. So try with the second one. Take your pencil and run it along the graph. Does it ever pass more than once? So it passes the vertical line test, so it is a function. Okay? And for this one, it's only ever passing one time. See that with each x value only has one y value. So this last one, function or not a function? Function, very good. How about lines? Are all lines functions? Which lines are not functions? Vertical lines, right? Because vertical lines are not going to pass the vertical line test. So if we have this vertical line right here where x is 2, for all of those inputs, we're getting all different outputs. So here we have -2, -2, 2, -1, 2, 0, 2, 1. So this one x value has infinite y values. So vertical lines are not functions.